I'm PJ from treelineUSA.com. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about how to use oil-based colored pencils on wood, either on wood carving or wood burning. So let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to be using the Lyra oil-based colored pencils. This is the 24 pack, and right now Treeline USA carries both the 24 pack and the 12 pack. But the selection of colors is just incredible. These are made with a high pigment content, so that they apply color very quickly and uniformly. But the advantage of oil base is it allows you to kind of blend colors a little bit easier, and it's just a little bit creamier in the way that it goes onto the wood. And so I did just a little wood burning here. Now granted, this is not a professionally done wood burning, and there's other better artists out there, but the point of this video is to kind of show you how nice it is to be able to use an oil base pencil with this. So right now I'm just using a red color, and on this rose pattern here I want to come in, and as I start applying color to it, you can start adding other colors, and in a minute we'll show you how to blend with it. But it applies very quickly, so you can cover this area up fast. Now notice I'm going right over the top of the wood burning. You can add a very subtle amount of color if you want, or go quite heavy if you wanted to. But with this we'll start adding a few other colors onto this. But then what you can do is you can take like a rag or a Q-tip or a blending pen, and you can take it and just apply a little bit of a pressure, and what that does is it kind of blends those colors together. So if I wanted to add kind of a highlight into this, I could do that. That's a yellow, and some people, like some wood carvers, sometimes will use these pencils too when they're wanting to add like logos or really small intricate designs. The tips are good and sturdy, so they don't break easily as you're applying that pressure to it. But let me do one more spot here. We'll grab a green, and we'll come in here and do one of these leaves. So we'll add a little bit of darker right over the top, and then we'll take our rag, or again a Q-tip or something like that. You can take and help blend some of those colors together. Even your finger will do the same thing. But the nice thing about these is that there's a wide variety of colors available for it. Again, it lays down color very fast, and so you can go in there and apply colors. But just sometimes in wood burning, it's hard to separate one part of the project from another. And so with this, it allows you to add a little bit of subtle color, and then from there, just give a little bit more unique value to your project there. So add a little bit of a highlight right here. We'll go in and blend just slightly. So again, some of you out there are going to be way more artistic than that, but the idea is that we can add a little bit of color onto our project pretty easily with that. We've seen some incredible work done with these oil-based colored pencils, both on wood carvings and wood burnings and other projects. So anyway, there's a lot you can do with them. They look great. They're easy to learn how to use. They blend well, and then the colors just apply so easily. So anyway, to learn more about these oil-based colored pencils or to pick up your supplies, visit us at treelineusa.com. And for more videos like this, please click subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.